Hello, welcome to Homeopathic Services. My name is Pierre Fontaine. I've been a professional homeopath for about 25 years. I specialize in autoimmune diseases as well as autism. And today I am strictly talking to people who suffer from autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, Graves' disease, any type of thyroid issue really, scleroderma, psoriasis, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, colitis, multiple sclerosis, lichen planus, as well as most particularly for women who have PMS, monthly PMS, where you have to take off a few days or take so much painkillers that it really you wonder why. Women who suffer from UTIs, chronic UTIs, all of these condition I am addressing today. The reason why I'm doing this is because I was surfing around the internet yesterday and I came across a bunch of functional medicine diets. Those are diets more or less difficult to implement that are meant to reverse or at least palliate the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis or psoriasis and whatnot. Now, regarding each one of these illnesses, I have seen people with these illnesses and they have recovered from these illnesses without doing this functional medicine diet. And the reason why I'm talking today about this is because a lot of people were putting up comments, and the comments sounded really, really alarming to me. I know I need this. I need to do this, but I cannot. Hard to deny myself foods, giving up massive amount of food for very little return. What's the point? It is hell. Life is hard. And some people are chiming in with you have to have determination and all that. This is now how we overcome diseases. Folks, this is not how we overcome diseases, okay? You have to have determination. That is not how we overcome disease. It just is not. That's not understanding what disease is, really. So, while I'm not entirely against functional medicine diets, it certainly should not be that difficult. It should not be difficult for people to do it, all right? There are better diets, but diet is not medicine. Limiting your food or having to eat certain food in order to palliate certain symptoms only has a certain shelf lifetime. That's it. It can work for some amount of time. It does not mean your disease is gone. It does not mean the illness has completely gone away. It does not mean it has been healed. Most often, there were comments that I did not see, that I did not say, but there were comments such as, I was good for 3 years and then I started eating normally again and I went back. The reason why people go back to the old symptoms is because the illness has not been healed. It is only palliated through various different types of manipulation, through foods and supplements. There is a better way. The better way is homeopathy. Absolutely is. Okay? Because the idea is not to manipulate the illness, manipulate the symptom, but to heal, to make go away. And you can live your life fully. Okay? When someone who is in treatment and say life is hell, there is a problem with this picture. Okay? One of these advocates, if you will, doctors, said there is a difference. One needs to understand there is a difference between implementing the diet 95% and 100%. Meaning you have to be 100%. I mean, that is crazy. This is, kneel at your feet kind of thing. That is not at all the way illness should be healed, so it should be reversed, should be taken care of. homeopathy absolutely presents a far, far, far quicker, effective, easier method if you do not wish to go with medication, or if medication has been less than helpful to you. There is a better way. The better way is homeopathy. I know it. I've seen it. There are millions of people who experience it every single day around the world. Please make the jump. Thank you very much for listening. I really felt, I felt very strongly. I mean, the pain, the experience that was expressed through this website was truly disheartening, and I felt compelled to do this video very quickly. I usually don't do several videos a week. I did already one, but I really felt compelled. Please pass this around. It is not worth suffering, okay? Thank you so very much for listening. Till next week, bye-bye.